Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shepon. Today I show you another free exercise, especially free hand exercise. Today I show you forward lunge exercise, side lunge exercise and back lunge exercise. This exercise is very important for our hamstring, gluteus maximus and quadricep muscle. This three muscle is very important for human body. So now I start this exercise. First of all, I start this exercise taking anatomical position and both hands close to your grip, and now start from the left side. First of all, first left side, left leg forward and right leg slowly down, knee close to the ground. This position is the first position, then back. Again right and back. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. In this way, you do this exercise every day and regularly. Your quadricep, gluteus maximus and hamstring muscle also developed, and your Achilles tendon and also your patella, ACL, meniscus, PCL also fully moved and flexibility will be increased. Thank you.